Okay, so chapter 2 has been full of expressions, equations, simplifying, combining like terms, all of those good things. So this one's another question that came out of chapter 2. It says the sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degrees. So it didn't even ask us to remember that. It just told us what it is. If one angle of the triangle measures x, so here we go. Angle 1 measures x. The second angle, so angle 2, measures 3x plus 20. 3x plus 20. So far, this is very difficult. Express the measure of the third angle in terms of x. Well, so angle 3, okay, and I know that all three of them have to equal 180. So if I know two of them, I can add the two that I know up and subtract that from 180. So if I have 180, and then I could subtract angle 1 from that, and then I could subtract angle 2 from that too, right? So 180 minus this angle would get me angle 3, because they all have to be 180. So what I would want to do, and you can do this a couple of different ways. You can add these two first and then subtract them from that. Okay? So it may have ended up looking like a little like this. All right, if I take my first angle plus my second angle and put that together, then I can subtract that from 180. So angle 1 plus angle 2, subtract that from 180, and I would get angle 3. So it asked me then to simplify the expression of angle 3. So here's the angle 3. This is the expression that I'm simplifying. All right, I only had to use angle 1 and angle 2 in order to get my angle 3. All right, so here we go. I'm going to simplify this expression. I'm going to do what is in parentheses first, and I'm going to combine like terms. So x plus 3x is 4x plus 20. And now all of that, that's why I put it in parentheses, because all of that has to be subtracted from 180. So where you're going to mess up is you're going to forget to distribute this negative. So if I distribute this, I'm going to get 180 minus 4x minus 20, because I've got to distribute that negative here too. So then I can combine like terms. 180 minus 20, so 180 minus 20 is 160 minus 4x. So ta-da, there we go. So the expression then for angle 3 would be 160 minus 4x.